Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem rotate a linked list. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given the head of a singly linked list, the task is to rotate the linked list clockwise by k nodes, that is left shift the linked list by k nodes where k is a given positive integer smaller than or equals to the length of the linked list. So for instance, if this is the linked list which is given to us and k is equals to 3, then we need to rotate this linked list 3 times. So after 3 rotations of the linked list will be something like this, and that is what we need to return, or rather the head of the linked list is what we need to return. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So in order to discuss the solution of this problem, let us take a linked list and let us say the value of k which is given to us is 3. So the way we will be able to rotate the linked list 3 times is essentially by dividing the linked list into 2 parts. So the first part will contain 3 elements. This is my first part and it contains k element, and the second part contains n minus k element. So this is my second part and it contains remainder element. So let's have our linked list 1. So the linked list 1 will look something like this: 2, 4 and 7, and the linked list 2 will look something like this, which is 8 and 9. And in order to rotate this entire array by 3 times, what we need to do is we simply have to reverse this linked list. So then the linked list becomes 7, 4, 2. We need to reverse this linked list as well. So this becomes 9 and 8. And then we are going to concatenate linked list 1 and linked list 2. So let us concatenate these two linked lists. So the resultant linked list looks something like this. And once we have this, then we have to simply reverse this entire linked list. So let us reverse this. So this becomes 8, 9, 2, 4 and 7. And this is our k rotated linked list. And that's the whole discussion of the solution, folks. Now let us discuss the pseudocode of this problem. So let us say we want to k rotate a linked list and head of a linked list is given to us and k is given to us. Now the first thing which we want to do is we want to split this linked list into 2 parts. So let us split that. So let's say there is a split linked list function which will split the linked list into 2 parts. The first part contains k element and the head of that linked list is pointed by L1. The second part contains remainder element and the head of the linked list will be pointed by L2. Now once we have these two linked lists with us, let us preserve head of the linked list, since we will be using it, head of linked list 1. Now let's go with our algorithm, which is to reverse the individual linked list. So let us reverse these two linked lists. Then let us merge linked list 1 and linked list 2. And the way we will be able to merge these two linked lists is the last element of linked list 1. So the last element of linked list 1 will be pointed by H1. So last element of linked list 1 will now point to starting element of linked list 2. And in this way we have merged L1 and L2. So once we have merged L1 and L2, all we have to do is reverse L1. And once we have reversed that, then towards the end we can return head of the linked list, which is L1. And in this way we will be able to rotate a linked list k times. Now let us look at these two functions, which is a split and reverse function. So let us look into these two functions. So first let us look at the split function. Head of the linked list is given to us and a value k is given to us. For this, all we have to do is we'll take a pointer previous. Initially the value is none, and then we are going to iterate on the linked list while k is not equals to 0. Then let us set previous equals to head, head equals to head of next, and let us decrement our k counter. So let us try to understand this with the help of an example. So let us say this is the linked list which we have and the value of k equals to 3. So once we exit from this loop, at that time the head will be here and our previous will be here. Now in order to split this linked list into two parts, we have to break this connection. So let us break this connection. So for that, previous next will be equals to none. One more thing folks, before doing anything, let's have our L1 pointer as well, and L1 will be equals to head. So L1 is pointing to this location, which is the starting pointer of linked list 1, and L2 is this, which is the starting pointer of the second linked list. So all we have to do is we need to return L1 and head, and in this way we will be able to split our linked list into two parts. Once we have split this linked list into two parts, let us look at our reverse function. Let us say head is given to us and we want to reverse this linked list. So for this, we will have our previous, and initially the value of previous is equals to none. Then we are going to iterate on head while head is not none. And then let's first preserve our next pointer. So next equals to head of next. And now let us manipulate the pointers so that we are able to reverse our linked list. So the way we manipulate our pointer is head dot next equals to previous, and let us update our previous. So previous will be equals to head, and let's move to the next element, which is head equals to next. And in this way we will be able to reverse our linked list, and towards the end all we have to do is return previous, which is now pointing towards the head of a reverse linked list. So that's the entire code folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first let us look at the Python implementation. So in order to rotate the linked list k times, the first thing which we did is we splitted our linked list into two parts, L1 and L2. L1 contains the first k elements and L2 contains the remainder elements of the linked list. Then we have our h1 equals to L1. Then we reverse our two linked list, L1 and L2. So once we have reversed our linked list, then we are concatenating the two linked lists. So L1 and L2 needs to be concatenated, and the way we will be able to do it is h1 dot next equals to L2. Once we have concatenated the linked list, then we are reversing the entire linked list, and towards the end we are returning L1. Now let us look at our split and reverse function. So first let us look at our split function. So for split we have two pointers, head1 and head2, which will points to the beginning of linked list 1 and linked list 2. Then we have a last node, and initially head1 equals to head. Now we are iterating on the linked list while k is not equals to 0, and we are maintaining our last and head pointers. Once we have iterated on the linked list for k times, then towards the end we are breaking the connection and we are returning head1 and head2. And in this way we will be able to split linked list into two parts. Now let us look at the reverse function. So for reverse function, previous equals to none. Then we are iterating on the linked list, and while iterating on the linked list we are manipulating its pointer to reverse the linked list. So that's the Python implementation folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at our C++ solution. So in the C++ implementation, again the same thing. We will split the linked list into two parts, L1 and L2. And after splitting the linked list, we will reverse the two linked list, L1 and L2. After reversing the linked list, we will merge the linked list L1 and L2 using last of next equals to L2. And towards the end, we will reverse the entire linked list and return the head of the linked list, or head of the reversed linked list. So that's the implementation in C++ folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ solution also got accepted. That is all from this video folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.